my friends. Grab yourselves a cup of coffee and let's get to decorating. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. Hello my friends, how's it going? First off, I have not responded to all the comments from Monday's video, but I know so many of you sent out prayers for me. Do you know I'm actually feeling better? I'm actually feeling a little bit better. I'm not 100%. That's why my hair is like this. And you know, sometimes in Southwest Florida, this is what I've decided. When you can't beat it, join it. So I'm going to leave my hair as natural as possible. I just look like a crazy woman. Oh, well. Anyways, I want to thank you all so very much for the love and the prayers you sent up. I am battling some MS related stuff. I'm not doing my best. I'm in my uniform, as my daughter likes to call it, the black t-shirt with the black leggings. You know, it's early in the morning. The house needs major cleaning. Angela's going to help me, because she has been a godsend. Let me tell you all. So today's video, you saw the title. It is the front porch redo. And we're gonna go out there right now. I wanna show you it finished. I just had one last thing to put on there, and it's so cute. Let me get it and show you. Okay, this little girl right here, isn't she cute? I wanna put her out in the front. But I put her out yesterday when I was finishing, and then she broke, and Dad glued her back together and fixed her. So we're gonna go put her outside. You know, I voiced over all the clips because y'all know I live, sorry, I'm putting it down. Y'all know I live on that main street. I would never recommend a main street to anybody. If you live on a main street, move. Or stay in your house, whatever makes you happy. Who am I to tell you what to do? Sorry about that. If you love your house, stay in your house. Okay, got the uniform on. Angela's been a godsend, like I said. My legs are getting a bit better. My vision is so getting there. It's getting there. It's been taxing. I have a little bit more energy, so that's feeling good. And my child, oh my goodness, godsend. She has been really helping and really like picking up slack and doing all things. I just didn't have the energy to do my hair, so I'm sorry for my appearance. But grab your coffee, let's go outside and see this front porch. Maybe it'll give you some inspiration to get, you know, yours all springified. And keep in mind, we are in Southwest Florida, and it's already scorching hot. I mean, summer's here. Who am I kidding? Summer's here. Summer won. All right, guys, come on. Let's go outside and see what we came up with. My sweet friends, this is just a small look at the before. This is horrible. I mean, for heaven's sakes. What happened is I started cleaning it, and I was gonna move all the stuff out, and then I decided, okay, let me film for you all to see, and maybe you could get some ideas and some motivation. So this is the before, and you could tell there's the busy street, there's my porch. So what I want to do is switch out that wreath right away, and I did add these. I think these look really nice. It's everything I had. I'm not buying anything new. There's no point. I have way too much stuff already. And what do you think? We should paint those front doors. This is an old wreath that I had in my stash, and I just want to tell you what I did. I had originally put these little palms and the Easter egg basket on my wreath just to zhuzh it up a bit. So when I took it out of my storage containers, this had fallen off. So I'm just showing you what I did. And I did this a few years ago. I like to add embellishments to the wreath sometimes, like change out the bows or whatever. And there it is. It was easy peasy. I just stuck it on. Okay, let's go hang it up. So this is what I had on there. I mean, that'll probably come back in the summer. But for right now, I love the bunny and I love this grate. Okay, this is what I really want to show you what we're doing. You all have one of these, and this is all the stuff I had in my bins, and I want to just add to this. So here's the bow. It looks terrible. There's the bow. I fluffed it up a bit. This bow, I'm just attaching it to the back. Guys, this is so simple. I'm telling you, anybody can do this. Anybody. If you're bow challenged, buy yourself one of those bow dazzle or watch those things on YouTube. Everybody's got a tutorial on bows. My goodness, everybody. Sorry about my face in front of you. And I'm just going to use these little purple flowers, some greenery, a little bit of pink flowers, and some eggs. Yeah, there's the pink flowers. And then this egg pick. This is from Michael's, I think. Not really cute. Not really cute. I think it's going to look adorable. Okay, so I want to give you a little tiny tutorial on how I put this together, these bunches. And you can do this so simple. You don't even need hot glue at all. And it makes such an impact, and you can use this tip and trick on a lantern, any lantern you want. You just bunch them together and they drape. And I did the greenery, the purple flowers, the eggs, and then I'm gonna put the little pink flowers on top just to give it like more dimension and stuff like that. Isn't that cute? Looks cute, right? I think so too. Green wire, your best friend on the planet, my best friend on the planet, that's for sure. Green wire, I cut a lot of this stuff. I use this stuff constantly. Okay, I hope you can see this good. You take your wire and you wrap, 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 going either way. And then you leave enough. Oh, I missed a thing. You leave enough, and then you twist it, and you cut off the excess. So now you get yourself a bundle, right? Just like that, super easy. And then the little wire, you just bend it over. But you got yourself a bundle, and it's great working with like faux florals because you can bend them and stuff. Look how cute that's gonna look. Okay, let's do the other one just in case you missed it. Put it all in a bundle. Get yourself your wire, a big long piece of wire. I'm just showing you how I put the bundle together. And you're going to wrap it and wrap it and wrap it one way and wrap it and wrap it and wrap it the other way. And then twist the two wires together like that. And cut off the excess. And then you got yourself two bundles that you're going to put on either side of the bow. Okay, so now we got our two bundles, and we're gonna put them on either side of our bird cage or your lantern. So you pick whatever you have. So if you got a lantern, do the lantern. If you got a bird cage, do the bird cage. I like to bend them to follow the shape of my bird cage. And I'm just gonna place one here and the other one on the other side. I like to use the wire, guys. For me, the wire works the best. I don't know why. I just love it. I don't like hot glue or anything like that because I like to repurpose stuff. And this is so easy. Anybody can do this. Just get yourself that green wire from Michael's. That's the best one, honestly. And the clippers are from Michael's. They're better than the ones at Hobby Lobby. The ones at Hobby Lobby, I don't find them very good. I think Angela's in this video asking me a question about something. Anyways, you can see me doing this here. As you can see here, I'm just fluffing it up. It's really, really, really simple to do. And then I add the tails. And once I add the tails, let's take this outside and put it where it belongs. But wait till you see what entails in going into actually starting to decorate this front porch. And I think this is gonna look really cute once I style it properly. And you'll see it soon. Okay, so you wouldn't believe the amount of black dust or dirt or whatever it was that was coming off these walls and the molding and the window up there. But here, I wanted to show you this little tip. If you've got patio furniture, this kind of plastic patio furniture, I had left it out in the elements and it got this little black stuff in the grooves. And I tried it with a sponge and the sponge didn't work. But the brush and Comet cleaner, like any abrasive cleaner, worked amazing. They look brand new. You'll see them in a minute when they're all done. See the little black stuff in there? The sponge didn't get it, but the brush did. And then I'm just adding some pillows. Super cute, super cute. I know, super cute for Easter. You gotta have a fern, and I really thought it was gonna fit under there, but it doesn't. So, you see, I moved this a couple times. This fern, by the way, is $5 from Walmart. Yeah, go get yourself one. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And I'm just cleaning up. I love this little bunnies. They're so cute. How come bunnies always make us happy? I'm telling you. Okay, guys, here's a look of everything all together. Don't the chairs look amazing? They look super clean. They look brand new, literally. They look brand new, brand new chairs. Found a spot for my fern. There's our bird cage. The spring door wreath hanging baskets. I think they look really realistic. I love my little wreath up here. I think it's just the perfect touch. And a cute little bunny pillow. Okay, and there's the final little destination for my bunny. I think it's so cute. I hope you can hear me over the noise of the main street, but I think this turned out adorable. Love it, love it, love it. And the little pillow over here. How cute are these? These are from Ross a while ago. And this I just love. So in the evening, I like sitting out here. I like watching the sunset. I just placed a clean carpet out here. And these I love. And then this here. And you know, folklore tale says that if you have a basil by your front door, it brings you good luck. So we all need some good luck. Get yourself a basil. Okay, my sweet friends, that is the end of the video. I hope you liked this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. It motivates you to get out, wash your porches, clean your porches, do all the spring cleaning things. I've been in super spring cleaning mode. Thank God for my little girl helping me out. She's been a godsend to me. She's always been a godsend to me. Who am I kidding? I hope it gave you some inspiration. Thank you for the love. So much love and support in Monday's video. Thank you for keeping me in your prayers. It is greatly appreciated. And I know our good Lord above can hear us all. And I am feeling a little bit better. And I know I'm going to get much, much better. So I will see you very soon, hopefully. I'll see you on Monday for sure, but I'm thinking there might be a pop-up video. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Have a wonderful weekend ahead.